So I recently made a video going over what I thought makes Westchase such a popular place to live. Today, I'm going to talk about the rest of zip code 33626. There are several neighborhoods that surround Westchase, from homes in Treetops where the prices start at $800,000 or so, to the much more affordable homes in Fawn Lake. So let's go take a real quick tour of that area. Hi, my name is Mike Lavoie. Welcome to our favorite YouTube channel. I am a realtor in the Tampa Bay area with Dalton Wade Real Estate. My wife Paula and I have lived in the Tampa area for better than 30 years. We love helping people with one of the largest transactions they will probably ever make. That's buying or selling a home. If this is your first visit to our favorite YouTube channel, please take a couple seconds to click on the subscribe button down below and hit that notification button as well. We will send you a message the next time one of our videos is published, which should be next Thursday. You're not going to want to miss out on any of that information, which is mostly real estate related here in the Tampa Bay area. In this episode, I'm going to cover a large piece of Northwest Hillsborough County, and I'm going to do this in less than 5 minutes, so pay attention. I have already made a video about Westchase. The link is up above. So this time I'm going to expand that area and exclude Westchase. And to save time, I'm going to hit only the major neighborhoods, or the neighborhoods that I think are interesting. There are dozens of smaller neighborhoods out there in that area. If you would like to see what's available, there's a link down below. So let's get started. First up is Fawn Lake. It's located just west of the Westfield Citrus Park Mall. Fawn Lake is a small, charming community. It features mid-sized family homes priced in the upper 200s to about the mid $300,000 range. Like most parts of the area, there is easy access to major highways, including the Veterans Toll Road. That makes getting around town very easy. It's easy to get to the airport, downtown, or even the beaches. Its location allows for a very short walk over to the mall or to some of the restaurants that line Sheldon Road. Fawn Ridge is another smaller neighborhood located very close to the Westfield Citrus Park Mall. With its great location, getting around town is also very easy. The community is very well established and continues to attract buyers interested in the Tampa area. Fawn Ridge offers mid-size homes at reasonable prices. It is perfect for the first-time home buyer. Okay, at the other end of the spectrum is Treetops. Located just to the north of Westchase, Treetops features a smaller number of homes built around a little lake that's there. The homes in Treetops are custom-built homes in a gated community, mostly on larger lots, with prices starting around $800,000 and going up pretty quickly. If your choice is a higher-end executive-style house, this is the place to start. Stonebridge Villas. Although the name is Stonebridge Villas, there are not many villas in the community. There are some condos, a couple of attached homes, but most of the homes are 3 and 4 bedroom single-family homes built in the late 1990s. Technically, Stonebridge Villas is part of Westchase. That means homeowners have the access to all the amenities Westchase has to offer at a much more affordable price. Beginning development in the early part of 2000, Westchester Hillsborough now boasts 3 subdivisions, private streets, playgrounds, and a very low HOA fee. Westchester is located on the far west side of the Westchase area, just off of Countryway Boulevard. Homes in Westchester feature 3 to 5 bedrooms with reasonable prices in the mid to upper 300,000s. Over the last few years, Westchester has grown into kind of a haven for young families and couples looking to start a family. Just to the east of Westchester is the gated community of Mandoline. Also started in the early 2000s, Mandoline features larger homes sized in the 2,500 to 4,000 square foot range, most with 4 to 5 bedrooms and 3-car garages. Priced in the mid 300s to near 700,000, these semi-custom homes are still very much sought after, and they also have a very low HOA fee. If you are interested in larger lots in an equestrian neighborhood, Twin Branch Acres is the place to start. There are very few streets in the community, allowing for larger lots and bigger homes. The community features horse trails and is located very close to Tampa Bay Downs. The community has very easy access to shopping, restaurants, and the beaches. If there is any downside to Twin Branch Acres, it would be the availability of homes. Residents there tend to stay for several years, so homes coming onto the market for sale in the community are pretty much far and few between. Well, there is probably the quickest tour of Westchase neighborhoods you'll ever experience. There is so much going on in the area that we just don't have time to cover it all right now. If you'd like to talk about those neighborhoods or neighborhoods anywhere in the Tampa Bay area, please reach out to us at 813-575-2124 by voice or text, or you can email me at mike@thelavoyteam.com. For more information on buying a home in the Tampa Bay area, watch that video. If you haven't already done it, please take a couple seconds to click on that subscribe button down below. You should also want to hit that notification bell as well. We'll send you a note the next time our videos are published. It would also be darn nice if you would hit that like button down there as well. Thanks for watching. Hope to hear from you soon.